Good afternoon, respected ma'am and everyone present here. Today, we invite you to a courtroom unlike any other. The case before us is not about money, power, or personal conflict. It is about life itself. For centuries, there has been a silent contract between the earth and humanity. But this contract, we believe, has been broken. Mother Nature has decided to sue its most unruly inhabitant, the Homo sapiens. Our drama will show what happens when planet Earth takes its case to the court, accusing greed and negligence for the destruction of nature. I am honored to work with my incredibly talented members that include Trisha Datta, who will play the role of the Justice Datta, who is the judge giving the final verdict. Angelina Reang, who is playing the role of Mother Nature, who is the one who files the case for survival. Droni Debbarma, who is playing the role of the prosecutor, green advocate, who is fighting for nature. Sagnik Das, who is playing the role of humanity, representing us and all our actions. And I, Droni Debbarma, is going to play the role of the defense lawyer who is fighting for development and progress. Today, we ask you all to be the jury. Consider the facts and remember our own future hangs in the balance. So without any further delay, let the trials begin. Scene 1, courtroom opens.
Order, order. This is the Earth Court. Today's case is the case between a dying planet, that is, the Earth, and the people of progress, that is, humanity. Humanity is accused of deforestation, overexploitation, overconsumption, pollution, which is leading to various disasters like droughts, climate changes, floods, typhoons, and so on. Prosecutor, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor, we will prove beyond doubt that nature's greed has turned to, that humanity's greed has pushed our planet at the edge of destruction.
Defense, are you ready?
Absolutely, Your Honor. Humanity stands proud. Yes, they have factories and malls, but that's what gave people jobs and life-saving medicine. How can that be a crime?
We will see that. Let the proceedings begin.
Scene 2, opening statements.
Your Honor, I stand before this court to speak for my client nature, a victim of humanity's relentless greed. Deforestation, overexploitation, climate change has pushed our planet at the brink of destruction. Humanity has treated nature like a free buffet, taking everything and giving nothing in return. They cut forests, pollute the air, choke the air and the soil. Your Honor, these are not mere mistakes, these are grave crimes, crimes that speak against the life itself. And today, we demand justice, nature demands justice.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
Humanity has only tried to progress, to develop, to survive. Yes, mistakes were made, but without humans, this world would not have advanced to what it is today. Let us not forget, humanity brought and gave so much. Hospitals, education, electricity, AI, the internet. Without all this, nature would be all boring. We plead not guilty.
Boring?
I had water for forests. I nourished life for several years. I watched forests bloom, rivers flow, animals roam freely. Then came human. Now my glaciers are melting, my animals are gone, my climate is sick, all because of you.
We didn't mean to harm Mother Nature. We just wanted a better life. We want houses, roads, buildings, and factories. for better development. We needed to survive.
Survive? You call building walls in every corner survival? You call dumping garbage in oceans survival? Better life? Is this better when children cannot breathe clean air? When animals are gone forever?
We didn't know it would hurt this much. I mean,
Order, order! Enough for now. Proceed with the evidences, plaintiff.
Scene 3, evidence presentation and nature's testimony.
Exhibit A. Deforestation. Forests are being cut down for timber and farming every day, faster than the Wi-Fi in college hostels. Exhibit B. Air pollution. Cities with poison air where people wear masks just to breathe. Exhibit C. Glaciers melting faster than the ice cream in summer, and unlike ice cream, they never come back. Exhibit D. Animals going extinct because humans need yet another space for a shopping mall. Your Honor, these evidences are undeniable. Humanity has turned survival into destruction.
Any further explanations, defense?
Your Honor, let's be fair. Humans created science, several inventions and discoveries for the betterment of the world. Humanity invented technology, machines, transport, education, communication, all for the progress. Yes, there are environmental issues arising, but humans are working on solutions too, like renewable energy and conservations place to place. Yes, they may have used the resources maybe too much, but they're improving, like recycling, solar energy, planting trees, and whatnot.
You are trying now, after centuries of damage?
Is that it for you, defense?
we are trying. We have eco clubs, awareness campaigns, electric vehicles. We also ban plastics in many places. We are not bad at all.
Okay, the court will keep that in account.
Your Honor, I would like to proceed the testimony of my client.
You may proceed.
Your Honor, I gave them air to breathe, water to drink, forest for shelter, animals for companionship. In return, what did I receive? Polluted rivers, shrinking forests, poisoned air, extinct species. They burned my forests for industries, tainted my oceans with plastics, drilled my mountains for greed, and called this development. To me, it is all destruction.
Of course,
Any explanations, defense?
Your Honor, please.
Okay, we will proceed with the cross-examinations now.
Scene 4, cross-examination.
Humanity, why did you cut trees when you know they give you oxygen, the air to breathe?
of course, we need more space for roads, bridges, industries. We need wood for paper, ticket bed, books.
And why humanity? Why choke the rivers and the soil?
Because it costs a lot. It's cheaper than cleaning it.
Cheaper than my life?
Your Honor, these are minor side effects of development. We also invented smartphones, MacBooks, and TikTok.
TikTok? Is that your defense? Humanity is accused of bad taste too? Enough. Humanity, You sound like a student giving excuses for not doing homework.
Your Honor, my client is not evil, just careless. They did not think long term and were unaware of the consequences. But they are definitely ready to improve. They will start sustainable practices, use renewable energy, save water, resources, and plant more trees. They just need a chance. Scene 5, Judge's verdict.
After hearing both the sides, the court has made a final verdict. Humanity, you are guilty. Guilty of greed, ignorance, and overconsumption. But nature believes in second chances. So this court sentences you to plant trees, stop deforestation, and protect wildlife, reduce pollution, and adopt renewable energy. Educate every citizen about sustainable living. Remember, if you destroy nature, nature will destroy you. Case closed. The court has been adjourned.
Don't let nature become a courtroom story. Protect it now. Thank you.